Hi, my name is Caitlin Whiteman and I'm a director with Usborne Books and More, and today I want to show you how to use Vizzlie, which is an awesome posting service that you can use for your Facebook parties. The website is Vizzlie.com, and when you come here, you're going to first want to create a free account. Vizzlie gives you 2 weeks free to try their program out. Once you do that, you will log in with your email and password. Another great thing that Vizzlie does is that for every 2 referrals that you give, you earn 1 month free. It is $10 a month. So I'm going to first show you down here accounts. Here's your profile where you can change your address or your password. And then right here is referrals. So you can click there, grab your code, and then you can share that with maybe any new recruits that you get, and once you get 2, you get a month for free, which is awesome. So let's go up here to the top though, to events. All right, so I have a lot of events and I should delete them as they come in, but I don't. So we're going to scroll all the way to the bottom, and this is what it will look like when you come in. You will see upcoming events if you have an event already created on your Facebook page. So here's one that I just created. Right now I can't work in it because I have not tracked the event. So we're going to first track the event. Yes, I would like to track it. And it's going to now move up here into my events that I can now work with. You'll see that it is red and says 0. That's because there is nothing set to be posted and there's nothing in there. It's red. The green ones mean go. They're all at 0 because these are events that have already happened. But we're going to open this up. And here is what it's going to look like. We are not going to actually set this up yet because I want to take a step back and show you how to get your images and your videos and how to make a template. And then we will return to this screen and we will schedule this party. So now let's jump over here to under planning. You're going to go to your image gallery. This is how you are going to upload any images that you want to use for your Facebook party. The images here are all ones that I have not put in folders, and over here you'll see that I have several folders created already. And we're going to go to the bottom, and right here is where you could create a folder. So this is for your Facebook parties. We can just name it Facebook Party, and then we can go to your computer. Of course, I know I have 2. Let's see which one this is. Okay, so this is the one I just created, the top one. So now we're going to upload an image. All right, so we're going to select Facebook Party because that's the folder we'd like our images to go in. We're going to browse. You can find where your graphics are. I'm going to grab this Welcome to the Party post for some Valentine's parties that I have coming up. And I'm going to double check. Yes, that's where I want it to go. And I'm going to save it. And now it's in my folder, which is great. So that's how you upload images. Now, if you're doing a Facebook party, you are probably going to have some YouTube videos that you want to link. I'm going to show you how to do that here. When you come to your video gallery, you will see all the videos you already have linked, but you won't have any yet. So here's how you link one. You come up here to link a video, and you are going to paste in the URL. You're going to look it up. And there it is. It's Baby's First See and Slide Animals. We're going to save that. And there it is. You can rename it, you can delete it, or you can just leave it be. So there's your image and your videos. Next, I'm going to show you how to make your template for your event. So this would be the Facebook party that you want to run for your launch or for your first couple of hostesses. All right, templates. You have the option to make email campaigns. We're not going to learn how to do that today. I want to direct you up here to Facebook templates. Here's all my templates that I have. We're going to ignore those and scroll down to the bottom. We are going to create a new template. We're going to give it a name. Since this is probably your launch party, we're going to call it Caitlin's Launch. And we're going to make, let's go find it first. There it is. Okay, we're going to open it up and we're going to make the welcome post for your party. So you're going to want to create new post. You're going to give it a title. This will be our welcome post. So it'll be number 1. Welcome to Caitlin's launch party. Now, a really great thing that you can do with Vizzlie is when you use the hostess's name, you're going to want to use these little arrows right here. And when you make a template, it's going to detect that replacement. And I'll show you how when we load this to your party. But it'll give you the option to type in, Sarah, Amy, whoever your hostess's name, so you can easily swap that out with every party. Okay, now that cute Valentine's Day graphic that we just uploaded, we're going to grab it now. So we're going to go down here to Image. Now remember, we put it in a folder, so you're going to want to find that folder. And there it is. Click on it, and it's your selected image. Now, we want to choose the time that you are going to be posting. You have a couple of options here. You can choose a couple days before this party starts, a couple days after. That's not what we want for our welcome. But if you're doing some pre-party post, you can select 3 days before the party. For this one, we want the day of the start time. Vizzlie knows what day and what time your party is starting. And here we can either choose the exact time of day. Let's say you really want that post to go up on Friday afternoon at 2 because that's kind of when moms are checking in on Facebook when their kids are napping maybe. You would want to choose that exact time. For me though, I want to choose relative to the starting time because this is a template and not all my parties will be at say 8 p.m. They might be 2 hours behind or ahead of me, so I just want it to be based off of the start time that I'm choosing for my event. So I want it to be 0 minutes because we want it to be right as it starts before the event starts. You can choose after as well. So our time is chosen and we're going to create the post. And then you're going to see it pop up right under Caitlin's launch. There it is. Okay, so now our next post for the party, we want to link a video. Okay, we want to show them some cute toddler books, and we're going to show them the slide and sees. So this will be slide and see. There we go. So post number 2, we'll say babies and toddlers. You can write more there, and we're going to grab a video. All right, here's all the videos. You can scroll through them, but the one we want is right there. You're going to select it. And okay, we want this again to be the day of the start time. I'm not going to choose an exact time of day. I'd like it to be relative to the start time. And I'm going to choose it to be 4 minutes after the event starts. And then I'm going to create the post, and it'll pop up right under there. Perfect. Okay, so another great feature, you can duplicate your template if you want to kind of, make a new one that's based off of it. You can rename it. You can share it. This would be where you get the code if you want to share it with anybody. But probably people will be sharing theirs with you since you're starting out. You can also delete it and start over. One other quick thing, when you are adding images, you have the option to add several images at a time. So, let's say, oh gosh, I'll just grab a couple. But you can add, how old is your reader, some learning styles, and, oh, I'm so excited about the party starting. You can add as many images as you would like as well. So know that option is available. But we'll just cancel that out for now. Okay, so let's pretend you've created all of your party posts. You've got this lovely template made. And at that point, you're going to go back to events. Remember that event that we tracked at the beginning of the video. And again, I apologize for all the events still in here. You can delete those. I just don't. There it is, Caitlin's test event. So now we are going to set up our template in this event. All right. So right down here, you can create a post. It's the exact same way that we just did it. But since we already have a template created, we are going to select to use a template. And you're going to go to this pull down bar. Here's all the templates. The one we just made together was Caitlin's launch. Yes, I would like to keep all the posts. And right here it's going to ask, what time do you want this to run? I always keep it simple and just say I want it to be relative to the starting time of my event. So my Facebook event is set to go at 8 p.m. on the 9th. So it knows that. It's 8 p.m. on the 9th, and I want it to be that, so I'm going to load the template. And see those 2 posts we just made? They just popped up right there. Now, there's one more thing we have to do, though. Remember I just taught you how we can change out the hostess's name? It already says Caitlin, but we're going to add that back in. You can change it to Sarah next time, or Holly's Party next time, whoever your hostess is. All right, so that is done. Before your post will go out on time, though, you can either click here or here to resume your automated post. They will not post unless you tell it that, yes, I do want to do it. It's just one last check to make sure that everything is as it should be. Over here, you can see the dates, the times. You can edit. You can speed up or delay. Let's say that your party guests are running late and they're kind of behind the post. You can delay all your posts by a couple minutes. You can delete them. You can also schedule a comment. So you can grab an image to go with it. You can type in the message, whatever it is you'd like to do. Maybe you want to share a few more graphics of other baby and toddler books after they watch this video that they can view in the comments. Anything like that. And then you're set. Your party will post all on its own. Up here under Facebook, I'll just quickly point it out, but there's groups and pages. So if you, for example, have a VIP page that you want to create, you can go over here to it and you can make a post on that as well. So it works on groups and pages the same way. You can add new posts. But that's about it. I hope you all enjoy this and take advantage of making some amazing templates and scheduling your parties so you can spend more time interacting in the comments with your guests. Thanks for checking out the video.